Hi, today we're going to make chocolate muffins. And the ingredients for the chocolate muffin is flour, buttermilk, eggs, cocoa, baking powder and soda, oil, egg, sugar, salt, chocolate. So you should put not chunks, but split them into small pieces. Then coffee, a little bit of coffee so it makes the taste. First, you're gonna pour in the flour. Then next, you're gonna pour in the cocoa. After that, you're going to pour in the baking soda, baking powder and baking soda. And after you pour in the baking powder and baking soda, you're going to pour in the salt. And after you pour in the salt, you're going to pour in the sugar. And don't pour in liquid. But chocolate is not liquid. So it's not liquid. It isn't liquid, but it's going to be at the end of it. We're going to put it at the end. So then you'll mix it. Until it gets like a little bit, not too white, not too little mixed. Then this is how it will look by the time you're done. So next we're gonna break 2 eggs into the bowl and we're gonna add all the liquid. First we're gonna break this egg. And we're going to break the other one. We're going to add all the liquids and we're going to whisk with this mixing tool. Then we're going to add some buttermilk and we're going to pour it in. We added some butter. Then we're going to add coffee, but only 2 teaspoons. Then we're going to add the oil. And now we're going to mix it with this, we're going to whisk with this mixing tool. You'll see how it'll look when you're done, when it's done mixing. This is how it looks when you're done. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna mix it with this mixing tool. And don't do it so much don't do it so much that it'll get overdue. When you see flour, no flour work, you'll stop mixing. It should be hard to mix now. Now we'll add the broken pieces of chocolate into the batter. And eat some. And then we're gonna mix again. Now we're gonna reheat the oven for 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And then with the batter we have here, we're gonna take an ice cream scooper and take it and put it in the cupcake thing. Now we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, then we're going to lower the temperature down and bake it some more. Since we're baking it, when it's done baking, we're going to check with a toothpick. We're going to poke it, and if it's dirty, then we'll still bake it. And if it's clean, you'll know it's done, so it's all baked and it won't get dirty. So we took out of the oven the chocolate muffin, and now this is how it will look. And now the last step of all is to eat it.